Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anandita. So today we will be doing a reading for your love life for the month of January 2022. All right, and we have two piles here. So basically, what we will be doing is that we will be looking. We'll be giving you an overview about your love life, right? What are the challenges and what are the blessings that are coming? Alright, it will be a very short and crisp kind of a video, and where the guidance would be shared with you. Then once the guidance is shared, we will be taking out some handwritten messages as well. And this is something new. We will take out a message from the Oracle book. Alright, and so the thing that you would need to do is that you would need to select your pile. This is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. So for pile number 1 we have smoky quartz, and for pile number 2 we have clear quartz. Okay, so you can select your pile. All right, the timestamps would be given in the description box as well. So later you can always skip to the part whichever pile you are drawn to, and then you can select that pile and you can see your video thereon. All right, so you can take a moment, pause for a moment, and then you can select whichever pile you are drawn to, and then we'll start with the reading. All right. Alright, so the people who chose pile number 1 with smoky quartz, so we'll start with your reading. Alright, so let's start with having an overview of your love life. So the first card that we have is card of justice. Then we have the card of hermit. Alright, then we have memories of love. And then we have the crown chakra. All right, so pile number 1, I see that maybe this is a time where you really need to really reflect on what's going on around you. All right, the card of hermit really suggests self-reflection. It's a time wherein you take out time for yourself and see what things are going around you and what are the changes that are needed. हो सकता है कहीं कि जो लोग सिंगल हों उनको इस टाइम पे बहुत सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन की ज़रूरत हो, वेर इन दे नीड टू सी कि which part of me really needs to be accepted by other people. All right, and if I see the card of hermit with the card of justice, so it's a time wherein really you will be really called in situations and challenges jahan aapko you will really need to put yourself out. All right, so the hermit card in a love relationship literally means that love can be a very great teacher. It could teach you so many things at so many levels that one can't even imagine. All right, so it could be possibilities that there might be some kind of fears or insecurities that you would be having around the whole idea of this love relationships or any other relationship which is happening around your life at the moment. All right, so this is the best time to be face to face with your insecurities, with your fears, with your worries, and any kind of inhibitions that you would be having. All right, so this literally means that you really need some alone time with yourself in order to develop some kind of an insight about yourself first. all right, अगर आपको किसी रिलेशनशिप में जाना है और अगर आप किसी रिलेशनशिप में हैं, until unless you know yourself better, you will not be able to give yourself fully to the relationship. So this is the card where it's telling you that find yourself first, love yourself first, and then only you would be able to give out love to the other person. Then only you would be able to commit to the other person. अगर आप खुद ही committed नहीं होंगे, if you are not true to yourself, you will not be able to provide love to the other person as well. So this card is a clear indication of some me time, for some self time, for some self reflection, for to really know what your insecurities and what your doubts or what your fears are at the moment. All right. Then we have the card of justice. Now, the card of justice coming with the hermit suggests that the card of justice is all about karma. It's all about you being paid, or you being rewarded with whatever you have given uh, to the other person, in the sense कि लेना and देना, right? So give and take. So it's a card of justice, it's a card of karma, it's a card of whatever you have sown, you will reap that only. So whatever whatever you have been putting in your love or in your relationships, that will come back to you in equal quantity, right? So if you have been putting a lot of effort in your love relationships, if you have been giving a lot into the relationship and you are very true to the relationship, the same would be rewarded back to you. all right and vice versa. अगर आप ट्रू नहीं हैं अपने रिलेशनशिप में, या आप यू आर वेरी डिफेंसिव, या आप में बहुत रिजेंटमेंट्स हैं, या यू आर in always in a conflicting mood, or there's a lot of chaos in your relationship, then that will reflect back with the same amount of force. All right. So what I feel is that at this point of time, compromise and understanding is needed. All right. So you really need to reflect back and see why you are not in that kind of a position at this point of time in your love relationships जहाँ आपको होना चाहिए था, राइट? अगर आपके रिलेशनशिप्स में कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट चल रहे हैं, या यू आर नॉट ऑन द सेम पेज विद योर पार्टनर right now, so see what is wrong, what is going wrong, where you can really put in efforts, and where you can really give your 100% to the whole situation. All right. So this is the message that we are getting from the tarot deck. All right. And you people really need to reflect on that, and you really need to think about it, that where you can give your 100% and you can receive the same, with that same force for yourself as well. All right. Then from the psychic oracle deck, we have memories of love and crown chakra. So we'll go with the crown chakra. So I feel that people of pile 1, maybe your crown chakra needs attention at this point of time. You might be receiving some kind of messages, some kind of intuition, some kind of some kind of feeling. You would be having some kind of thoughts or feelings that would be coming up straight from the universe. You would be getting some kind of a gut feeling that this is not right, or this is the way it should be done in my relationship, or I should go this way, and I should really sort out the matter in such a way. But you might not be listening to those kind of messages. You might be ignoring them. So this is the time that you really need to put in your focus on those messages and really work on them. You really need to be in alignment with your crown chakra and focus what kind of messages are coming to you at this point of time. All right. Then we have memories of love. Now with memories of love, I feel that with these two cards also being there, I feel that you really need to cherish the memories that you have collected in your relationship. And it could be any kind of memories, like the memories which really encourage you and which really recall the energy, the good energy in your relationships. So basically, the energy of love, the energy of acceptance, the energy of being secured around your partner. So those kind of energies you really need to you really need to recall those energies and be very, very grateful for those kind of energies that were around you. So with that, you will get to know that yes, the relationship that I have is to be cherished. It's there to be nurtured. So this is a very beautiful card, wherein It's time that you can really, take support, and you can really dedicate yourself. It's a card of unity, it's a card for balance, and wherein balance for emotions, for your love, and your heart and your soul are really asking you to really see uh, what lies ahead of you. So please be very very please be in a very gratitude, what should I say, आप बहुत एक उस मूड में रहिए जहाँ आप ग्रैटिट्यूड दे सकें फॉर योर रिलेशनशिप टू बी देयर. ऑल राइट, because many a times what happens that we do not see the good part in some kind of situations which are there for us, but when we see it, जब हम उसको दूर से देखते हैं और जब हम उनको बाद में रियलाइज करते हैं, so we see that there was something good which was hidden behind that kind of a situation. So all these cards are telling you, pile number one, that you really need to reflect and you really need to be in sync with what is happening right now. If you are not feeling up to the mark, it's okay. Please take some time out. Please take some time out of the relationship and focus on what you really want to do, what you really want to go ahead with. All right, it is not necessary that सब कुछ आपके हिसाब से ही चलता है हमेशा. So please be very clear with that. All right, and the most important thing is that जो आप उस रिलेशनशिप में डालेंगे, जितना एफर्ट आप डालेंगे, जितनी सिंसियरिटी आप डालेंगे, जितना फोकस आप डालेंगे, वही आपको वापस मिलेगा. All right, so going forward, let's see what you are attracting in your love life at this point of time. All right, so we have two cards. One is, when I connect to the spiritual realm, I open the door to receive divine guidance, clear direction, and great wisdom. All right. So this is such a beautiful message that we are getting, that you really need to connect with yourself. You really need to see कि आप कहाँ इस वक्त खड़े हैं अपनी लाइफ में, राइट? आप क्या दे सकते हैं दूसरे को अपनी तरफ से, आप कहाँ कनेक्ट हो. और सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि यू रियली नीड टू कनेक्ट विद the force which is the power which is there with you all the time, the universe, the divine guidance, the power which is supporting you in each and every way. All right, when you do that, you really open the doors for yourself, you really open the doors for your other relationships, you open the doors for your any kind of situation that you would be facing. All right, जिससे आपको बहुत wisdom आती है. You get to know where are you standing, you get to know where you are at this point of time in your life. All right, so this is also a very very important message right now. The second message is, in stillness I receive. So I don't think so इस कार्ड को कुछ जस्टिफाई करने की ज़रूरत है. सो द सेम विच इज़ सेइंग द हर्मिट, इट्स टेलिंग यू दैट यू हैव टू टेक आउट सम टाइम फॉर सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन. मेडिटेट करो, गो फॉर अ वॉक, या अपने जो भी आपको करना पसंद है. इफ़ यू लाइक लिसनिंग टू म्यूज़िक, सॉफ्ट म्यूज़िक, or if you like to do gardening, or if you like to do any kind, if you have any kind of hobby, do that, indulge in that, and see कि आपको क्या insight आती है, where do you want to go, what messages are coming to you. Because when you are quiet, when the mind is calm and when the mind is quiet, you receive such beautiful insights that you will be amazed to know that ये भी हो सकता था. Is this the way I could have thought about it? Is this the way I could have worked about it? I mean, there are so many insights that you can really get at that point of time. All right. Then let's see what all messages do we have. Okay. Then we have the messages from your angels. All right. So first we'll take out this card. So it says compassion. Soften your heart with respect to this situation and all the people involved, including yourself. So this is such a beautiful card. Compassion क्या होता है? Compassion is just pouring your heart out. मतलब giving your 100%, unconditional love, unconditional faith, unconditional support. So the angels are telling you to please shower your unconditional compassion to the other person or the people who are involved around you, who are there, including yourself as well. Please show compassion to any kind of situation that you might be stuck in right now. ऑल राइट. सो अगर आप कंपैशन देंगे, आप कंपैशन दिखाएंगे, यू विल फील अ लॉट ऑफ पीस एंड ब्लिस एंड so much happiness around you, and you will feel that your situations are improving. You will feel that your relationships is improving, and you will be able to really nourish and cherish that relationship at the end. All right. Then we have divine order, wherein it says everything is how it needs to be right now. Look past the illusion and see the underlying order. So this is a very clear message which says that जिस चीज़ को जैसा होना चाहिए वो इस वक्त वैसे ही है. What we do is that we try to control each and every situation जो हमारे पास आ जाती है. We think we can take a way out. हमें लगता है कि हम उस चीज़ को ठीक कर देंगे, हमारे हाथ में सब कुछ है. बट certain things come, certain challenges come, certain circumstances ऐसे बनते हैं जो आपको बता देते हैं कि no, nothing is under your control. You cannot control each and everything of yours. Sometimes you really need to relax and let go of the things and see how the whole situation unfolds. All right. So pile number 1, what I feel is that आपको ये एक बताया जा रहा है हर एक कार्ड में या हर एक गाइडेंस में कि that you have to let go of the control. You have to really put in your faith, and you really have to see where the things unfold at the end. You have to reflect on how you are thinking. You have to reflect on how you behave, how you take the other person as, what and how much have you given in this relationship that you are demanding so much. So please be open, and please see where you can really make the relationship better. All right. So now the card we have from the Lovers Oracle deck. Let's see what message we have. Wow, we have freedom. So it's telling you there is nothing stopping you. The path is clear if you want it to be. All right. So freedom. Please free yourself from all the negative baggage that you might be holding. All right. So ये जो कार्ड है hermit का, it's telling you to please reflect on it. All right. Please see what is holding you back. Please see कि क्या चीज़ आपको, क्या इनसिक्योरिटीज़ आपको, क्या चीज़ें इतनी वरी देती हैं, या क्या चीज़ आप इतनी फेयर करते हो. All right. Get the freedom from those things. All right. Be free from those things. It is not necessary कि आपको उनमें घुसे रहना है. All right. The angels are telling you that now is the time. Now is the time when the path is clear. Now is the time when you can take a step forward. So when you take a step forward, I mean, everything you want will be there in front of you. All right. So now let's take out some handwritten messages for you. All right. So what messages do we have for pile number 1? Let's see. What kind of love messages do we have for pile 1? All right, we have heaven. So heaven से बहुत गाइडेंस आ रही है सबके लिए, आपको लेने की ज़रूरत है. All right. We have compassion. Compassion 2 बारी आ गया आपके लिए. All right. So please be open. Pile number 1. Please be open for guidance. Then we have divinely guided. Then we have trust. Then we have blessings. So, I mean, this is a very clear kind of indication that you have to be very compassionate, right? You have to trust in what is happening, all right? The heavenly bodies, the divine beings are with you, all right? They are there, they are protecting you, they are looking at you, all right? Blessings हैं आपके पास angels की, and what else do you need? So please focus on what needs to be done rather than जो हो चुका. ऑल राइट, लेट दैट बी एंड फोकस क्या क्या चीज़ आप इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं एंड हाउ यू कैन रियली मेक योर रिलेशनशिप ब्लूम. ऑल राइट, last but not the least, let's take out a message for you. All right, so what message do we have for pile number 1? So we have, if you are looking for opportunities, create them. I mean, this is such an apt message that has come for you. If you are looking for opportunities, create them, right? So this is the time where you have been given the opportunity to look within to see where you can improve. When you do that, you will be able to create whatever you wish for in any of your relationships, whether be it family, be it your friends, be it your love, be it your partner. Anywhere you would be able to create a loving and a blissful environment. So pile number 1, I really hope that you resonated with the reading, and if you did, please like, share to my YouTube channel. All right, till next time, take care, bye bye, see you. Hello, pile number 2. So this is the pile for the people who chose the clear quartz. All right, so let's start with your reading as well. So we will first start the reading with the tarot deck. All right, so we have 9 of cups, we have the Knight of cups. Interesting. Then we have spiritual union, and then we have patience. So pile 2, आपको patience की थोड़ी बहुत ज़रूरत है, right? So I feel थोड़े लोग बहुत impatient हो जाते हैं किसी ना किसी चीज़ को लेके. See, patience is a virtue, okay? So जितनी आप patience दिखाएंगे, it will really benefit you and the people around you. All right, so let's start with the traditional tarot. They are very beautiful cards. I see कईयों के cups के card आए हैं, तो cups donates in traditional tarot emotions. All right, emotions, feelings, thoughts. So I feel that जो लोग सिंगल हैं उनके लिए बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है टू अट्रैक्ट लव एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. एंड जो भी उनके पार्टनर होंगे, ही और शी विल बी great at heart, great in really telling out their feelings about the other partner. So I feel that there for singles, basically I see that somebody is coming in their life very soon, and that will really that relationship will be really from the heart itself. All right, so be ready, all those people who are single at this point of time. Somebody is there to really knock at your door, at your heart door, basically. All right, people who are committed. So I feel 9 of cups is a card, it's the most luckiest card in Rider-Waite tarot deck. All right, so this denotes a complete family. It's a very beautiful card for relationships, for love relationships, for family relationships, and other relationships that you would be having. So all in all, it's a very beautiful and a very lucky card to have, to get in a love reading. All right, all your wishes come true, all the material support and the love support that you need will be around you at this point of time. Okay, as with Knight of Cups, I did tell you that the person is very creative, very charming, and he or she will be a very lovable person even for people who are committed. तो आप देखो अपने partners आपके हैं ऐसे के नहीं हैं, right? So basically all in all it's a very these two cards are very very good to get in a love relationship because they denote emotions altogether. All right. Then we have the card of spiritual union and patience. So, the card of patience, as I told you, it tells you that you really need to be in, moderation. You really need to be in balance at this point of time. जब भी आप किसी और से डील करते हैं, बी इट योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स, बी इट योर पार्टनर, बी इट योर कोलीग, बी इट योर फ्रेंड्स, so you have to be in balance. You have to maintain that kind of moderation between relationships at this point, at any point of time basically. All right. So ये कुछ भी हो सकता है, as I told you. It could be your work area as well, the way that you work with people, the way you interact with people, and the people in your life as well. So this is a card wherein it's telling you to be in moderation, to be in balance, and really see which part of you really needs to be patient. All right. So, and this could also signify any kind of it can also signify any kind of learning or any kind of integration that would be having at this point of time to really balance the physical and the physical and the spiritual parts of your life as well. कि स्पिरिचुअल यूनियन दिख रहा है, सो इसलिए मैंने कहा कि हो सकता है कईयों के लिए ये एक ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी हो वेर इन यू आर ओपनिंग अप टू योर स्पिरिचुअल पार्टनर. There are relationships जो sacred होते हैं, which are very spiritual in nature. So this could be one of the possibilities for pile number 2 जिनसे भी ये resonate होता है. All right. So please honor that. All right. And this card also reminds you that please be open to your heart and to your mind, and really try to listen to other people as well. उनका point of view भी कभी आप देख सकते हो. Alright, it's not every time that you have to give in your views and you have to really have the control over the whole situation. Alright. So all in all, these are very beautiful cards. If we see the overall, the overview of the love relationships. All right. So the overview is quite good, I feel. And spiritual union really signifies, an emotional bond. All right. It could be for singles as well. मतलब जो लोग सिंगल हैं अभी, उनके लिए न्यू लवर्स जो आएंगे वो एक स्पिरिचुअल बॉन्ड डोनेट करते हों. और सो आई मीन अगर आप ये कार्ड देखेंगे, यू सी टू पीपल हु आर इन really made for each other kind of photo this is. So this really signifies a lot of love, a lot of happiness, and a lot of creativity, a lot of balance between two individuals. All right. So I really hope that for pile number 2, this is the way it is right now. And आप ये भी देखिए कि आप जब किसी से interact करते हैं, when you interact with other people, what kind of energy are you emitting? All right. And what kind of energy are you taking from them as well? All right. So it's all about sharing, giving and receiving of energies to each other. All right. So अगर ये मैं देखूँ तो आप ये देखेंगे कि कैसे दो लोगों के बीच में energy exchange हो रहा है, right? So this just came to me right now कि it's such a beautiful energy exchange that would be happening between two individuals. So but just be careful what kind of energy are you giving to the other person, and what kind of energy are you taking from the other person. All right. So I feel that it's a very lucky time for pile number 2. To people who chose pile number 2 at this point of time for their love relationships in the month of January. And yes, everything would be really very good. All right, now let's see what kind of blessings are you attracting. So we have two cards. All right, so we'll go with this first. So this is directing my focus on what's thriving creates more of what I want. So basically this is saying कि जिस चीज़ पे आप ज़्यादा फोकस करेंगे, जिस चीज़ पे आप ज़्यादा एनर्जी डालेंगे, so that will thrive. So if you will focus on love, abundance, care, joy, nurturing and support, so that will really amplify in your life. वो बहुत ज़्यादा abundance में आएगी आपके लिए. All right, so thrive on good things. Do not see what is lacking in your situation at this moment. Don't see कि ये चीज़ ठीक नहीं है. जो nitty-gritties होती हैं लाइफ की वो होती ही होती हैं. They are with you all the time. But you have to surpass those small things and see the beauty of the whole situation that is in front of you, the people who are there for you, the people who support you in each and every way. Okay, then the second card we have is when I live and act from a place of spiritual alignment, I can trust that everything is working out for me, even if I don't know when or how it will happen. See, so this is so beautiful wherein it's telling you to leave the control. ये pile number 1 के लिए भी आया था, not the same card but the message was the same or more or less same. Alright, so it's telling you कि जो आपका कंट्रोल करने का हम लोगों में होता है ना, एज अ ह्यूमन we've been taught, we've been conditioned कि we can control things, but in reality that is not the case. All right, so don't try to control the outcome of each and every situation. Don't try to control the other person. Don't try to control कि मैंने इतना किया है तो मुझे भी उतना ही वापस मिलना चाहिए. So see, these things cannot be really एक रिजल्ट बेस्ड उसमें नहीं आप इन चीज़ों को बांध सकते. यू कैनॉट टाई अ रिलेशनशिप वेर इन यू जस्ट वॉन्ट रिजल्ट्स कमिंग आउट ऑफ इट. the relationship always has ups and downs. It really teaches you how to really grow and work with other people around. All right, it is each and every relationship is a mirror for you. वो आपको दिखाते हैं कि आप कहाँ स्टैंड करते हैं, वेयर आर यू प्लेस्ड एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, एंड द अदर पर्सन रियली इज अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. ऑलराइट, इट्स अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ यू, हाउ यू बिहेव एंड हाउ यू टेक each and everything in that relationship altogether. Okay, then we have the messages from the angels. All right, so we have two cards. One is you are safe. So Archangel Michael says, I am protecting you against lower energies and guarding you, your loved ones and home. All right, so this is a very powerful message from Archangel Michael. So he's saying that no matter what, in which whatever situation you are at this point of time, so he is there protecting you, he's there guarding you, and he's guarding your loved ones as well. And just be cautious about the lower energies जिसमें आप फंस सकते हैं. lower energies आप ही की खुद हो सकती हैं. Alright, the negativity that you might emit, the negativity that might come out from any kind of a situation. So be very careful with those kind of negativities, and really just try to ignore them. And whenever you find yourself stuck in any kind of situation like this, please call upon the angels, call upon the archangels, and they really come and help you. They really try to pull you out of the situation and make things better for you. So whenever you are stuck in a position or you are stuck in a situation wherein you do not see any kind of progress happening or any way out, please sit for 2 minutes and call upon, just say, Archangel Michael, I call upon you, please come and help me out from this kind of a situation. And believe me, you would be taken out of the situation no matter what. All right, then we have give your cares and worries to us angels and allow us to take your burdens. जो मैंने अभी कहा, I mean, मैंने ये कार्ड पढ़ा भी नहीं था, and this, I am telling you that this is a clear message that whenever you really feel that you are burdened, whenever you feel that you are not able to take any kind of कोई situation आप नहीं handle कर पा रहे, please read about angels, archangels on Google करो. Archangel Michael is there, Archangel Raphael is there, Archangel Raziel is there, Archangel Shamuel is there, Archangel Gabriel is there. I mean, we have so many different kind of angels and archangels around us. You can call them any time for your help, and they will come and really help you and support you in whatever you are facing with. Okay, then we have a card from the Lovers Oracle. So let's see what message we have. We have criticizing one another will only lead to further unhappiness. Love and accept each other as you are, and your relationship will magically transform. So it's a very beautiful and a clear-cut message that criticizing doesn't take you anywhere. All right, complaining doesn't take you anywhere, and cribbing about any kind of a situation which is not working, going your way, will not take you anywhere. So, and please, love, it's saying love and accept each other as you are. It is very difficult to do that, I agree, but then at the end of the day, I mean, this is what we live for, right? We live for our relationships, we live for the happiness of the people who we love, who we care for. So if we really try, we will be able to accept the other person as they are, as God has made them, as as they have come in your life, the same way they are there to accept you, the same way you will accept them as well. All right, so this is a very, very beautiful message for pile number 2, and I hope that everybody will be able to resonate with this kind of a message. Now let's take out a card for you, the handwritten messages from the angels. So what messages do we have for pile number 2? Let's see. What messages do we have for pile number 2? So we have Almighty, we have Inner Voice, we have Willpower, we have Forgiveness, we have Answers. Okay, so I mean, these are very clear-cut messages. So अगर आपको किसी को फॉरगिव करना है, प्लीज गो हेयर एंड डू दैट. ऑलराइट, जो ये वाला कार्ड था, शायद ये इसीलिए आया है मैसेज. सो एक्सेप्टिंग द अदर एंड फॉरगिविंग द अदर. फॉर वो देयर इज अ सेइंग, राइट? फॉरगेट, let go, right? So please do that. If anybody is facing any kind of an issue with anybody, please forgive that person, and forgive and forget, please. All right, it is not easy, but you can at least try to do that. All right, inner voice is something which tells you, which gives you the the answers for everything, right? आपकी एक गट फीलिंग होती है, आपकी एक इंट्यूशन होती है, जो आपको I mean people who are really connected with their self really know what I'm saying. They have their inner voice. वैसे तो सबके पास होती है, but with the chaos around us, we neglect it. We don't hear those inner voices. So pile number 2 आपके लिए specially message है that please listen to your inner voice, right? It will not take you on the wrong path. It will guide you perfectly. It will guide you. जितनी आपको guidance की ज़रूरत है, जितनी आपको एक हेल्प की ज़रूरत है, उतनी आपको गाइडेंस मिलेगी ही मिलेगी. ऑलराइट, ऑलमाइटी इज़ द यूनिवर्स, गॉड, एंड प्लीज़ स्टे कनेक्टेड टू इट. ऑलराइट, इससे मुझे ये भी लगता है कि जो आपका स्पिरिचुअल यूनियन है किसी के साथ, वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. ऑलराइट, एंड द ऑलमाइटी, द गॉड, the universe is with that relationship, and it will really, really help you beautify that relationship to a large extent. All right, then we have answers. So answers, I feel that, you people, whatever questions or whatever doubts that you might be having, so those answers will only come once you really get connected to your angels. So please get connected to your angels and see what messages or what are they trying to tell you. All right, they will help you in those. So आपके जो answers होंगे वो सब आपको मिल जाएंगे. They are there within you. Okay, willpower is like you should have the willpower and to overcome any kind of a situation. All right, so trust in that, trust that everything is working out for you. Trust that the universe is working for you. Trust that you are being protected. Trust that the relationship that you are in, it's perfect for you. Trust that you whatever decision, whatever choices that you will make, they will be perfect for you. Okay, last but not the least, let's take out a message from your from the oracle, daily oracle. All right, so let's see what messages do we have for pile number 2. So angels, please do guide us. So let's open a page. So the message we have is, you won't understand until you fully experience. So you won't understand until you fully experience. So कुछ चीज़ें experience करने के लिए कुछ चीज़ें understand करने के लिए you really need to experience those. So the thing is that whatever situation life throws at you, all right, to really see the good in it, you really need to really experience that whole situation. What we do is that we first, if the situation is not according to what we want, we first criticize, then we start the blame game कि ऐसे क्यों नहीं हो रहा, वैसे क्यों नहीं हो रहा, ऐसे होना चाहिए. then we start controlling कि चलो हम देख लेते हैं कि कैसे कर सकते हैं. But we do not see what the situation is telling us to do, what the situation is making out of us. वो हमें क्या बनाना चाहती है, वो हमें क्या सिखाना चाहती है, हम उस चीज़ को अंडरस्टैंड करना ही नहीं चाहते. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल किसी के पास टाइम ही नहीं है उस चीज़ को अंडरस्टैंड करने का. बट विद दीज मैसेजेस अराउंड, विद दीज गाइडेंसेस अराउंड, आई मीन it's the whole universe around you is telling you कि आपके पास help है. There are people around you who are ready to help you. There are angels are around you, archangels are around you. You have guidance and you have that wisdom and knowledge around you. You just need to take a step forward. एक leap of faith लेने की ज़रूरत है. And once you do that, you will see that how life unfolds in front of you beautifully. Alright, so these were the messages for pile number 2. I hope you really resonate with the messages. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, my YouTube channel, Soul Tribe. And till next video, take care. Bye bye. God bless you.